Probably blow off in the wind.
Just say something.
Hello.
Great.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Cool. Hello, Derek. What's his name?
I don't know. He doesn't have a name.
Can be called Derek. Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truck Is Friday. This week we're going to have a look around this Iveco S-Way AS Cab. Scene. Yep, that's right. We've got another Iveco S-Way on the channel. We love working on these. They still look, I know they've been out a little while now, but they still look so mean, so modern. And with the model year 24 just around the corner, or maybe even out now, depending on when you see this video, I think that facelift is, well, more than a facelift, but I think that next generation is awesome. There's loads of stuff coming on that truck. If you haven't already seen it, go and have a look on the Iveco website. I don't even sell Iveco trucks. I'm doing an advert for you. Thanks, Iveco. Anyway, in partnership with Iveco Retail, we have customized and enhanced this particular S-Way. We're going to have a quick look around it, and we're going to start right up the top. We've got a pair of 22-inch Hadley Air Horns, chrome finish, really nice, super loud. Obviously, there's plenty of Hadley Air Horn videos all over our channel, and we love horns. We love Hadley. We love, yeah, they're just awesome. If you haven't got horns on your truck, why not? Every trucker needs some horns. Coming down, we've got our LightFix light bar there in the black finish, which I think is a real nice touch on this truck. It's got the built-in marker lights, and then sitting on there we've got 3 of the Strands Siberia 12-inch bars with the dual colour DRL. These are currently set to white, and a really super bright high beam, which you can see for miles with. They are a mega light. If you haven't seen any information about those, clearly you haven't watched any of our videos, but again, there's loads of videos online about these Strands lights, and they're great. The grille lights, or the strobes that are flashing in there, they were already there. I've put them on for effect, but they look really nice. Yeah, that's all there is on the front. No, it's not all there is on the front. We've actually added from Acitonoix, which are one of our partners in Italy. They do stainless steel styling trim. Now, you might not see it on the static shots, but on this B-roll that's probably now playing over the top of my voice, you're going to see this beautiful stainless steel enhancement to the front grille. It's a grille mesh. It's still got all the little cooling holes cut into it, and it just sets the front of the truck off really nice. I think it ties in the Hadleys on the roof really well with the shiny chrome. And yeah, I mean, it gives the driver something to polish. It's real nice, real nice. Yeah. And then on the side, we have our 6x2 side skirts. Again, been on the channel quite a lot. These are the latest generation with the side exhaust vent. So we fit an extension pipe from Iveco. It's an OEM extension pipe. And then we add a nice little cutout with a stainless steel surround on it, just to give in some detail. I still love the styling on these skirts. I think they're quite sort of basic and sleek, but just the lines complement the truck, and I think on an S-Way in particular, they look really nice. We also have our safety catwalk, the TreadSafe safety catwalk on the back there. Full width, reverse punch. Again, we've done lots of videos on these. Just gives that driver somewhere nice and flat behind the cab to work safely. Also the reverse punch, it grips on your shoes, but it's also got a rolled top, so if you were to go over, you shouldn't cut your hands up or anything like that, which is a really nice touch. Got the high-vis safety decals for blind spots and do not enter where needed. Also on the other side, there's obviously the step access. And then on the back of the chassis, just wait there, one sec, I'll be right back. On the back, we have our fold-in X-block wheel chocks, which this customer has asked for. So that is a full-size wheel chock, which folds down into half a wheel chock for easy stowage on the back, which means we can get 2 in the space of 1. Super light, fully approved, obviously, on a nice little neat bracket on the back of the chassis. Again, there's probably some B-roll, so you're now actually seeing what I'm talking about. Inside the cab, we have a TruckChef Microwave. The TruckChef Microwave, obviously you've seen it plenty of times on here. This one in the S-Way, as you can see, has got a lovely fascia panel around the edge of it. The microwave itself is 20 litres, 800 watt. Now comes with a 3-year return to base warranty. It's TruckChef, it's great, it's reliable. If you haven't got a microwave in your truck, make sure you check out our website for those. Yes guys, that's it. Iveco S-Way AS Cab. We love Ivecos. Thanks ever so much. Oh, I need to cut that bit, Millie. Damn it. So yeah, guys, that's it. Iveco S-Way, fully enhanced. Loads of extras on it. We love working on Ivecos here. Thank you to everyone involved, Iveco Retail, the end user. You know who you guys are. We can't wait to do the next one for you. And yeah, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Bell notification icon, make sure you click that so you get notified when we upload our videos. Drop us a comment down below if you want to see anything new on the channel. And if you haven't already, I believe maybe when this video goes out, you can still enter our big truck giveaway to win your very own truck for free. Just click on one of these links here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.